Hello guys, hope you are all doing good. Today I'm with the new video. In video we'll see how you can earn money online, from which sources you can earn money. There are many websites from where you can earn money. You can be a freelancer. You can learn simple skills online and you can do simple jobs to earn money. We'll see the best online earning websites and the easy skills from you can earn money. Just go to any of the browser you like. You have, I'll go in Chrome browser. First of all, the first website in your list is it's fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a very useful website to provide services to earn extra money. You can perform simple tasks, like you can provide simple services to earn money. We'll see which services you can perform easily. You can do web designing, WordPress, logo design, video editing. These are the professional ones. You can do simple things like voiceover, logo design, social media, thumbnails, translation. If you have any of skill, you can post that. Like, I'll show you simple the services, like you can create YouTube thumbnail. You can see here a lot of people providing services to operator seller, level 2 seller. Like, he got 961 orders, he got 67 order, 49 orders, 1000 plus orders. He's saying I'll make view for boosting YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. He's saying I'll make a thumbnail in $10. His price in 3 hours. Honestly, it's time. It's a work of, like, you'll make a good thumbnail in 5 to 10 minutes maximum. If you have good grip, you can create in within 5 minutes. I'll show you how you can create a professional thumbnail. Like you can see here, these all are like promotion brochures or thumbnails. You have to create like that for your client. Simply go to fiverr.com, create an account, and convert from this join. Simply convert this to uh, create account, and then create profile to seller profile, then create a gig like that. Simply you can see this is very creative, man. Simply create a gig and tell people what you can perform. You'll get start orders, you'll start getting orders, and then complete the job and earn money. From where you can create thumbnail, simple. I'll show you a best website, canva.com. Canva.com, go here and simple create account, sign up with Google or Facebook, any social platform. It's loading, taking some time. We have already created account. Just go to canva.com. here, click in social media. You can perform a lot of uh, you can do a lot of things in Canva, like video editing. You can make ads, brochures, pictures. I'll go with the YouTube thumbnail. Here you see, to make thumbnail, just click on any attractive template, or you can upload picture. uh, you can use client's picture in this or any other of picture instead of this. It's very useful and easy to use website. I'll suggest you go with canva.com, or you can perform a lot of things I'll like remove background from image. This is also a very easy task you can perform online. Just post any of files and you'll getting start orders, and just client will provide you a picture and he'll tell you what you have to remove. You can easily remove background, like you can do it from Canva. And I'll tell you the useful website: remove.bg. It's a very useful website. You can simply, you have to upload picture from here, and the software will automatically remove the background, and after that download the removed background picture and with the good quality and give it to your client and earn money. After Fiverr, you have another website, it's upwork. It's an Upwork. It's the same website like Fiverr. You can provide services. You have to post any skill or service you can provide to client. You will getting start orders, and just simply you can earn money from Upwork, from Fiverr. You can post same gigs like you have posted here. Remove background image. You can also post this service on this website. You'll, from where you get order, just complete the order and earn money. In our list, the third one is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is also a very good website. Just create account and convert your profile to seller profile. You can earn money by same services you are providing on this website. Just post here that what you can do for you will getting start orders The fourth one in our list, it's people per hour. People per hour, it's also a very good platform to earn money. You can see here, just come here and sign up and create account, asking freelancer, just create account and tell what you can do. You will getting start order. You can perform simply tasks like data entry or like that. These are all providing services. These are four best websites you can use. I'll suggest you the first one, Fiverr, to improve your skills. After that, you can upgrade to Upwork, and you can also go with freelancer.com, people per hour.com. There are many services easily you can provide. Simply you will get order like a service. I'll show you. Convert. This one is also very easy one service you can provide. Just make a gig and like that people are performing. Like you can see here, I'll convert article to video, blog post or video with voiceover. We got 300 to 4 orders. This one is very best gig. Like competition is not less competition in this. If you get order, simply go to, I'll show you how you can do perform this service. Simply click on that. You'll get a lot of website and free tools. Go to any of the ones you like, and after that, come in your order client will provide you a script. Just come here and create video, paste the script. The software will auto detect and convert it into a video. Just download the video and give it to your client and get paid. This one is also very simple task. More simple tasks you can find online, easy services, and just right here you can perform the services. Same paste the services here, here, and here. Just complete the service from any of the platforms, you get order and get paid. Hope you like this video. Like this video, comment this video and subscribe the channel for more videos.